Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. Today I'm excited to show you an easy and quick and super delicious weeknight dinner. You're looking at all the ingredients here. Zingy soy sauce met with our rice vinegar. That's what's going to create this zingy taste. And we're going to also add a little bit of sesame oil to give extra flavor and a little bit of sweetness to balance out our sodium here with honey. So, as you can see, I don't even have a chopping board. It's that easy. All right, first thing first. So, one of the main ingredients is mushrooms, and that's optional if you don't like mushrooms, but I like buying dried mushrooms, and this time I got oyster, and it's telling you to soak in lukewarm water for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm like, okay, that is a turn off because Yuna just told me that, it's gonna take 15 minutes. One trick to quickly just like soak this is get your water boiling because you're gonna boil your noodles anyway, and put them in hot boiling water, and it's like instant noodle, just like that. On that note, I'm going to boil our noodles right here. It's already been boiling. I've got water over medium-high heat, and let's open this. Soba is Japanese buckwheat noodles, and in my opinion, it's healthier, and I used to have this pretty often for lunch when I lived in Korea. All right, so we got these. And unlike spaghetti and like other Western noodles, these take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So I got my timer here, 3 minutes. I'm gonna get this started. So, what do we need? What can I prepare in under 2 minutes, right? Okay, scroll. So I got soy sauce, of course. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce because it's thick and salty. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon. And then rice vinegar. I feel like I'm making dumpling dipping sauce, but I'm not. I can promise you that. 1 tablespoon. Give it a nice stir. Oh, okay, we got almost a minute left. You can use a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, whatever sweetener you choose to use. And then garlic. Yes, just like this. Okay, whoa, that was hard. All right, keep it going. It's kind of a mess. And how much time do we got? 25 seconds. And guess what? We are done. And then I know we're gonna garnish this, but I'm gonna use 1. Scissors are so versatile. I love it. All right, we got 1 second. Done. All right, we're done. And one thing with Japanese noodles is also you have to rinse under cold water because it's extra starchy, so if you don't, it's going to stick together and it's going to be really difficult to eat later. All right, once we have that, bring that back over. So make sure you get the Japanese miso paste. There's a Korean paste too. It's called doenjang. That's a little more fermented in my opinion, so don't use that one. Definitely you have to use the Japanese kind. So tablespoon of miso. Mix nicely. All right, so you're looking for this consistency here. Not too watery, but just thick enough that like you can tell. So now we have that ready. Time to decorate this. So exciting. So we got our cooked and rinsed noodles here, and you're going to gently. So we have our noodles in, and it's just time to turn and toss. Yes. And look at that. It already soaked up all of the sauce. They give you soba noodles. They don't serve you this particular dish, but they definitely give you something with soba noodles. Now, it's time to decorate our noodles. I'm making this vegan version with mushrooms and nori. I got this large sheet of nori here. You're gonna get a sheet just like this, and love working with my gas. What you'll do is just make sure you don't burn your fingers. Oh yeah, you're toasting your nori. So it's like extra crispy and it's easy to just fold over. And all you have to do is, once you have that, season with salt and garnish. So I don't know, how long did that take? I think even this whole filming process was like 10 minutes, if that. So that's it. Super good. It's a truly one-pot meal. Nothing's overpowering. I don't taste like one thing over the other. That's what's so beautiful about the just perfect Asian trinity. Trinity in Asia, in my opinion, is the soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. It's just so good. Or like garlic, ginger, and soy. Yeah. After you make this, please take a photo and tag me. You can find me on Instagram at Yuna Cooks. And I can't wait to see you at your next favorite recipe. And please hit subscribe and hit the bell button right next to it, because I'm going to be uploading a new video every single week.